Imagine a scene. You're sitting at your kitchen table, surrounded by bills and financial statements. A sense of overwhelm washes over you as you try to make sense of it all. You've heard about YNAB, you need a budget, and its reputation for transforming people's financial lives, but you're hesitant to commit. So, here's the burning question: how much does YNAB actually cost? Is it a one-time investment, or is it a recurring expense? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what YNAB is and why it's so popular. YNAB is a budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and ultimately take control of your money. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who aren't naturally inclined towards finance. One of the key features that sets YNAB apart is its envelope system. This system involves mentally dividing your income into different categories, e.g., housing, food, transportation, and allocating specific amounts to each category. As you spend money, you're essentially putting it into envelopes, ensuring that you stay within your budget. Addressing the cost. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the cost of YNAB. Unlike many other budgeting tools that offer free versions with limited features, YNAB is a paid subscription service. This means you'll need to pay a monthly or annual fee to access the full range of features. As of current date, the annual subscription cost for YNAB is current price. This gives you access to the app on all your devices, including your computer, smartphone, and tablet. You'll also receive ongoing support from the YNAB community and team. While the initial cost might seem like a barrier, it's important to consider the long-term benefits of using YNAB. By taking control of your finances and making informed spending decisions, you could save thousands of dollars over time. Plus, YNAB offers a 34-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. Additional considerations. Beyond the subscription fee, there are a few other factors to consider when deciding if YNAB is right for you. First, you'll need to be committed to using the app consistently. Budgeting takes time and effort, and if you're not willing to put in the work, YNAB won't be effective. Second, it's important to understand that YNAB is a tool, not a magic wand. It can help you achieve your financial goals, but it won't do the work for you. You'll need to be disciplined and make conscious decisions about how you spend your money. So, to answer the question, how much does YNAB cost? The annual subscription fee is current price. However, when you consider the potential benefits of taking control of your finances, the cost might seem like a small price to pay. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in YNAB is a personal one. If you're serious about improving your financial situation and are willing to put in the effort, YNAB could be a valuable tool. But if you're not ready to commit, there are other budgeting options available. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting.